Advanced revenue management, revenue reallocation for revenue arrangements. Okay, so we've got these last two videos to go. Alright, sweet answer 49231. Let's go and have a look there. 49231. Revenue is reallocated automatically when revenue arrangements are updated if changes to the sources affect allocation. Source changes that affect allocation are adding or removing items and changing the amounts for items, including changing the quantities or rates. Okay. Reallocation also occurs automatically when you combine revenue arrangements by merging them. When revenue is reallocated during a revenue arrangement update or merge, revenue recognition plans must be updated. The revenue plan update may occur with the automatic revenue plan update process, which runs every 3 hours, or you can update revenue plans manually. If reallocation fails, the error is logged on the revenue arrangement message subtab. The error column in the allocation detail is also populated for each revenue element with an allocation error. The compliant box in the revenue arrangement header is cleared, and the Allocate button is available in view mode. Review the error messages and correct the problem. Then update the revenue allocation. You can update revenue allocation for multiple revenue arrangements simultaneously or for individual revenue arrangements. For instructions, see the following topics: reallocating multiple revenue arrangements, reallocating revenue from the revenue arrangement record.